which have been repeated many times in various job exams. Then without wasting your time, let's start. First question. Champaran and Kheda Satyagrahas were led by Gandhiji. Yes friends, both Champaran and Kheda Satyagrahas were started by Gandhiji. Champaran Satyagrahas was started in 1917 and Kheda Satyagrahas was started in the year 1918. Remember it. Next question. Question number 2. Who was the founder of Aligarh Muslim University? Right answer of this question is option B, Syed Ahmad Khan. In 1875, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan established this university in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Question number 3. Which of the following newspaper was started by Annie Besant? Right answer will be option B, New India. On 1st June in 1914, Annie Besant founded this daily newspaper New India not for profit purposes but to spread news related to Indian freedom struggle among the people. Got it? Next question. Question number 4. Who was the Governor General of India during the 1857 Sipai Mutiny? It has come many times in various job exams, so you should know the right answer of this question. The right answer option C, Lord Canning or Charles Canning. Question number 5. The Black Hole tragedy took place at Fort William in 1756 in the city of Calcutta. The Black Hole tragedy took place at Fort William in the city of Calcutta on 20 June in 1756. For your kind information, during that time, the Nawab of Bengal Siraj-Dollah's army captured Fort William and locked 146 British prisoners in a small cell room for a night. Later, this room was known to us as Black Hole. Next morning, only 23 prisoners were alive among these 146 British captives. Can you imagine it? This incident is known to us as Black Hole tragedy. I hope you have understood clearly. Next question. Question number 6. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed on 5th March 1931. It was a political agreement between Mahatma Gandhi and Lord Irwin. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact is also known as Delhi Pact. Got it? Let's go to the next question. Question number 7. The Pune Pact was an agreement between Gandhi and Ambedkar. Yes friends, the Pune Pact was signed between Mahatma Gandhi and Babasaheb Ambedkar on 24th September in the year 1932. Question number 8. Who composed the song Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara? It's a very important GK question. The right answer of this question is option A, Muhammad Iqbal. Muhammad Iqbal was a famous poet, philosopher and politician. He was also a barrister in British India. Muhammad Iqbal wrote this song to spread feelings of patriotism and political awareness amongst the people. This song Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara was published on 16th August in 1904 by Muhammad Iqbal himself. Is that clear? Next question. Question number 9. In which year Calcutta Medical College was established? It's a very important question for all competitive exams. This question has come many times in various job exams. Right answer will be option D, 1835. On 28 January in 1835, Calcutta Medical College was established by Lord William Bentinck. Lord William Bentinck was the Governor General of India at that time. Remember it. Question number 10. Who was the leader of the Gadar Party? Right answer option A, Lala Hardayal. Gadar Party was established in 1913 in the United States of America. under the leadership of Lala Hardayal with Sohan Singh Bhagna as its president. Got it? Next question. Question number 11. The famous painting Bharat Mata was painted by Abanindranath Tagore. Abanindranath Tagore painted this famous painting Bharat Mata in the year 1905. Question number 12. The most famous women disciple of Vivekananda was Sister Nivedita. Yes friends, Sister Nivedita was the disciple of Swami Vivekananda. Sister Nivedita was an Irish teacher, author, social activist and school founder also. And for your kind information, Swami Vivekananda was the disciple of great Indian saint Ramakrishna Paramhans. Then friends, Sister Nivedita was the disciple of Swami Vivekananda and Swami Vivekananda was the disciple of Ramakrishna Paramhans. Is that clear? Let's go to the next question. Question number 13. Battle of Plassey was fought in the year 1757. The Battle of Plassey was fought on 23rd June in 1757 between the Nawab of Bengal Siraj-Dowlah and British East India Company led by Robert Clive. The forces of Siraj-Dowlah were defeated in this battle and the British made their rule in India more stronger. Friends, it also comes in exams that who was the Nawab of Bengal during Battle of Plassey? Then the answer will be Siraj-Dowlah. Got it? Next question. Question number 14. Who gave the title Mahamanna to Madan Mohan Malviya? Right answer option C, Rabindranath Tagore. Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore gave him the title Mahamanna. Madan Mohan Malviya was the most prominent leader of Indian National Congress. But he was remembered as the founder of Banaras Hindu University. In the city of Varanasi. He founded this university in 1916. Question number 15. The song Jana Gana Mana, composed by Rabindranath Tagore, was first published in January 1912 under the title of Bharat Vidhata. Yes friends, Jana Gana Mana was first published under the title of Bharat Vidhata in Tat Bodhini Patrika. In January 1912. Question number 16. What was the name of the ship of Captain Hawkins by which he came to Surat? Right answer will be option A, Hector. Captain William Hawkins started his journey or voyage in the year 1607 with a letter of King James I by the ship of Hector, and he arrived in Surat on 24th August 1608. The British wanted to establish factory in India. Therefore, he came to meet with Mughal Emperor Jahangir to discuss for business related reasons. Question number 17. Who referred Gandhiji as the half-naked fakir? The right answer of this question is option D, Winston Churchill. In the year 1931, former British Prime Minister Winston Churchill called Mahatma Gandhi as the half-naked fakir in a conference. Next question. Question number 18. Faith is a Battle is the biographical work on which of the following personalities? Right answer will be option B, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Question number 19. Which Indian freedom fighter is known as Punjab Kesari or Sheri Punjab? It's a very important question. This question has come many times in all types of job exams. So you should know the right answer of this question. Right answer option A, Lala Lajpat Rai. Yes friends, Lala Lajpat Rai was popularly known as Punjab Kesari or Sheri Punjab. Next question. Last and final question, question number 20. Which was the first English newspaper in India? It's an important GK question. Can you guess the right answer of this question? The right answer option A, the Bengal Gazette. Yes friends, Bengal Gazette was the first English newspaper started by James Augustus Hickey in 1780 in the city of Calcutta, now Kolkata.